Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to Audi Q7 full guide. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone, then open the Audi MMI menu and select Telephone to begin pairing. Accept prompts on both devices and confirm the PIN. For wired CarPlay or Android Auto, plug the USB cable into the center console and accept prompts on screen to enable features, then test calls and audio. Let me walk you through a few practical tips that make pairing painless and reliable when connecting to an Audi Q7. Keep your phone near the car and disable Bluetooth on other devices to avoid accidental connections. If the MMI doesn't detect your phone, reboot both devices and clear old pairings from the MMI list before retrying. Always check for software updates on your phone and MMI to improve compatibility and stability. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear car tech tips that save you time and stress. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading in the car while parked. It fits nicely in the glove box and makes waiting more enjoyable. Take a look in the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned. Now let's get back to the video. Connecting CarPlay or Android Auto enhances navigation and media control while keeping your eyes on the road. For wired connections, use a good USB cable and accept permissions on screen to enable phone features. For wireless setups, ensure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active and follow pairing prompts in the MMI. After setup, test voice commands, maps, and phone calls to confirm the system routes audio correctly and reacts to your inputs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.